Hey, welcome back to another video, guys. If you follow my Instagram, which you probably don't, which is quite all right, I posted the picture of this box. So you guys might already know what's in here. And if you're looking at the title, which is probably why you clicked it, then you already know what's in here. So doesn't matter. So let's get to it. I got this the other day. This is the Galaxy Flip 4. We're gonna unbox it and then I'm gonna review it later on. So let's open this box up. And before I mention anything, you can tell this box is really thin. Because you know, I mean, if you pay attention to tech lately, and if you don't know, it's quite all right. They just don't come with charging blocks anymore. Since Apple started doing it, everyone copied it. And now we gotta pay for blocks, which is silly, but it is what it is. So there's the phone. You already see the phone right when you open it. But look at this pack. This pack was in the cover. And usually they have the manual in here, which is pretty cool. But I love that there's a hole punch right here where like the camera is. I don't know if you can see it. See right there? So that's where the camera lays on top of, this box lays on top of the camera. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool touch. Never seen them do that before. Let's get down to this box. We have the usual paperwork. If you want to read that, it's a good read. I've never read it. It's a good read. A USB-C to C cable. Hopefully you have a block. Hopefully. And then, you can see that, but that's a SIM card ejector tool right there. You get a little pull tab here so you get the phone out safely. And there it is. There's nothing else in the box. That's about it. And this is the first time I've held this phone before. Super nice. I got it in the blue configuration. Now this comes in Bora purple, pink gold, this blue color, or graphite, or if you go to Samsung.com's website, you can order some custom colors that they got. It takes a little longer to ship, but you can get those cool colors too. If there's something that you don't really like here. There's a white and black one, which I think is pretty cool, and that should have been a standard color, but it's not. So you peel it up here, and the side comes up. La 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 la. And then it goes around. Oh, satisfying. This looks so nice. Look at that. It's nice. I really like the new sides. They're a little flatter. They're very similar to the S22. The crease is less, it's not as indented. It's there, you can feel it. But I feel like the Flip 3, it was deeper. And it's a lot stiffer to close, so that's really nice. I think quality-wise, that's nice. If you want to keep the phone half open, I think this hinge is gonna really last for a while. So let's talk about the body a little bit. We got a SIM tray on the right side of the phone, and on the other side, get the power button, and then volume rocker up and down. Got a microphone on top, and then the bottom, you got USB-C charging ports. And of course, you got the microphones and the speaker down here. They made the power button sort of like a fingerprint scanner, but I used to have an S10e, and they had that in the power button, and I prefer it much more than the screen protector one. So this is the phone. Little light shine on it. It's pretty cool. Here's the back of the phone. I just love that thing. It's really nice so far. I'm looking forward to giving this a go. And you can see it's also on the lock screen. It's already on the back. And I've heard maybe the bezels are a little smaller. I can't quite tell, but it looks good. So this is it for the unboxing. I'm gonna give it a go for a week or two, and I'll come back with my findings. Thanks a lot for tuning in.